Hey guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I'm doing a little craft video with you. I'm going to be using, this is a free printable from my Facebook group, and I'll put a link to my Facebook group below so that you guys can go and check out this free printable. And then I'm also going to be using some fussy cut butterflies from a kit in my Etsy shop. And then I'm going to be using some fussy cut flowers. And then also just a printable paper from my Etsy shop and a few other things too. So I'm just going to be making kind of a cute little folio. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I haven't actually made this before. I say this a lot in my videos. It's just an idea that I kind of had, and I kind of thought that these things would work together. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and round these corners because I think I'm going to like that better. We'll see. And this is just a corner rounding punch. I can put a link to one of these below too for you if you don't have one already. And so yeah, this is just kind of a craft with me video. And you know what's funny is I never know what to say while I'm crafting. I almost feel like I should just maybe shut up and let the images do the talking. But I know that some crafters always entertain you with some sort of funny story or anecdote, but my life's just not that funny. I'm a little bit boring. But, so yeah, right now I'm just inking the edges here, and I'm using a makeup sponge. And, oh, this is Tim Holtz Vintage Photo Distress ink. So now that I've kind of got my edges inked up, I'm going to go ahead and just work on decorating the cover here real quickly. And again, these are just some images from my fussy cut butterflies and fussy cut flowers kits in my Etsy shop. Okay, so I kind of got the cover where I want it, and I'm going to go ahead and work on just decorating the interior here. And for the first part, I think I'm going to do just a simple, like, kind of flower and butterfly over here. And yeah, I think that'll work. Alright, and then for over here, I've got something a little bit more involved. This is just a craft coin envelope, just like a money envelope. And I'm going to cut down the middle here, just about an inch or a little bit more maybe. And I'm going to fold these sides back. And maybe just a little bit further. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and glue those down. Excuse me. And then I'm going to ink up the edges of this a little bit too. Alright, and then I think I'm going to just rip off some of my paper pieces here and just kind of add them to the edges, just to, you know, add a little bit of interest. next thing I'm going to do is add some of my flowers from my Fussy Cut Flowers kit and just kind of make them into like a little bouquet inside of the envelope. There we go. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of lace trim here. And now, if you wanted to gift this to somebody, they could remove the flowers and use them in their own crafting. So that's kind of a cute way to give a gift to someone. Otherwise, I think this would make a really cute insert for a junk journal as well. There. It's a pretty simple project. Just a really cute, fun little kind of folio or journal insert. All right, guys, thanks for watching.